There is a way through every block. And today we're going to do exactly that. We're going to do it by moving the body. In fact, we're going to move the spine in 6 directions. And as we move the spine, we're actually connecting directly with the nervous system and moving through fight, flight, freeze, fawn, all of our responses to what is happening around, and come back to a place of feeling resourced. Are you ready? Good. Let's begin. All of this is beginner friendly. It can be done on the sofa. It can be done on a chair, on the floor. You can even do it standing up. It really depends on where you're at and what you need today. So remember, pain is not an indicator of things going well. Pain is something that we want to not make worse. Okay, so feel free to modify in any way that feels good for you. And remember that yoga belongs to everyone. Let's begin. Find a way to sit comfortably. Make sure that you feel alert and relaxed. Bring your hands onto your knees and let's begin with some gentle movement. This is called spinal flex. Inhale as you come forward, lift the chin up, and exhale as you roll all the way to the back. Inhaling as you come forward and exhaling as you go back. Good, and let your breath come into the movement with you. Inhaling, exhaling. You might want to go a little slower or a little faster than what I'm showing you here, and that's totally fine. Develop your own rhythm. The practice we're working on today is called Kundalini Yoga. This is the yoga of awareness. We're using the divine feminine consciousness in order to work with our body, mind, spirit. These elements cannot be removed from each other. They come intertwined. They're part of the human experience. And this set of movements that we're doing today is going to connect to all of that. Inhale very deeply, come to center, hold. Squeeze your lower body. Exhale through the mouth. Let it go. And notice in just 1 minute, you're already feeling something different. Now, we move to Sufi grinds, inhaling as you come all the way forward and exhaling as you roll all the way to the back. Rotating the spine. Inhaling forward, exhaling as you move to the back. Use your knees as levers. So you really want to pull on your knees so that you can lean back and push on your knees so that you can come forward. Good. Everything is activated. Feet, spine, neck, eyes are closed. And move. Inhale very deeply, come to center, hold still and steady. Inhale. Squeeze your lower muscles and exhale through the mouth. 2 more times. Inhale. Squeeze your lower muscles. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Now we move in the opposite direction. Sufi grinds in the opposite direction. All of these movements are coming from the school of Kundalini Yoga. These are the preparatory exercises that you can use before any breathing technique, any meditation. If you feel like you just need a little bit of movement, you can come here and do these exercises, these movement series to connect with your body and to connect with your nervous system. Remember to go at your own pace. You can choose to go a little quicker or a little slower. All of it counts. Last few rounds. Last two. And last one. Inhale very deeply. Come to center and hold. Squeeze all of your muscles. Inhale the breath. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And relax. Good. Notice how you're feeling. Take any small adjustments to your posture so that we can move on to the next. You're going to bring the 4 fingers in front of your shoulders and thumbs to the back. This is spinal twist. Inhale as you twist to the left and exhale as you twist to the right. Go at your own pace. Make sure that your chin goes with you all the way. Last two. Last one. Come all the way up to center. Take a deep inhale. Squeeze all of your muscles this time. Squeeze, tense, and hold. And through the mouth, exhale, let it go. Relax your shoulders down. Take a moment here. The quiet in between helps to integrate the movements with your breath, with shifts that your nervous system wants to take to down-regulate. Let's bring the hands onto the shoulders again. And this time we're tipping from side to side. So inhaling as you drop down to the right and exhaling as you drop down to the left. If any of this hurts your shoulders, remember you can bring your hands over your heart space. You can bring your hands down and just move from side to side. There's lots of ways to make the movements inclusive, that you can still participate and work at your own pace. Okay, so you can move from side to side, or you can bring your full arm span here, or find something in between. Eyes are gently closed, looking at the tip of the nose. This helps to focus the mind. And when you really focus on your breath, in other words, coordinating the breath and the movement, we start to create a new pattern for the nervous system to respond to. And I think that's where Kundalini Yoga becomes very impactful. All of these movements are very simple, very straightforward, and at the same time, we're creating great benefit. Last two. Last one. Come all the way up to center. Take a deep breath and exhale, release. Let's check in for a moment how you're feeling. Moving on now to shoulder shrugs. So keeping the hands on the knees, inhale, bring the shoulders up, and exhale down. Again, you can take your pace any way that works best for you. Good. We're going to continue with both shoulders up, and then in just a few seconds, we're going to change the movement so that we have a little bit of variety in how we're moving. Good. Inhale very deeply, bring the shoulders up and hold. Awesome. Now, let's do it alternating. Bringing one shoulder up and dropping the other one down, and seeing what difference that offers to our bodies. Good. Keep that momentum going. Keep the pace going. Last two. Last one. Inhale very deeply. Bring both shoulders up and hold. And exhale. I'm going to take two hands and slide one over the other, and then hook your hands together using your fingers. And then your thumbs lay down on top of your pinky fingers. Inhale very deeply and try to pull your hands apart, creating pressure around the heart space, expanding the lungs, expanding the heart. Exhale. Soften, drop the elbows a little. Inhale. Pull your hands apart best you can. Hold the breath. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Pull the hands apart. And move through any mental barriers. Pull as hard as you can. Pull, pull, pull. And know that you have the strength to move through. And exhale. Beautiful. Take a moment, connect with your breath. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder, inhaling as you circle forward. And exhaling as you circle to the back, 5 times in each direction. I'll give you the cue. Now, if you find this a little bit painful or a little bit challenging, then slow it down, ease off the movement, and no need to force. Last 2. And last 1, come to center, hold here. And exhale. And let's move in the opposite direction. Deep inhale and exhale. Go in the opposite direction. All of these movements helping you to move through any blockages in your body, any thinking that is limited, any feelings of fear, hesitation, resistance. And I wonder if we can reframe all of that. Let's call it learning. Let's call it doing things for the first time. Let's say that we can do hard things and we don't have to do it alone. Showing up here, practicing here together is an important step towards co-regulating. Last two. And last one. Inhale very deeply, come to center. And take a moment here. Just pause, let everything settle. Very simple movements, very powerful, impactful. And on the topic of co-regulation, here's what I want to offer you. You don't need to learn more. You need to be in environments that feel safe, where you feel seen and heard and known and loved for all that you are and however you are on the day in your life. And that's my invitation to come and join us in Harmony Within. Kundalini Yoga, nervous system work, and a community of powerful women, all there to do exactly what we're doing right now. Connect with ourselves, move through these mountains that life has presented, and to be. Drop the word harmony below or check the description box and I'll send all the information your way. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. We close our practice with a long sut, short nam. Truth is my name. Truth is, there is only one. Sit with a spine of steel and a heart of gold. Inhale deeply. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Please ground yourself. Bring your forehead and your palms to the ground if you're on the floor. If you're seated on a chair or on the sofa, inhale deeply. Bring the fingertips to the forehead, bowing in reverence to your highest self, to the teacher within, to all the yogis that have come before us and passed on this knowledge, this wisdom, so that we can live fully expressed in this lifetime too. And by the way, have you done the meditation for focus and sweetness, or meditation for a calm heart? Or have you heard the intro for this series, all about reconnecting with your body and how you can use that to tap into your intuition? Go ahead, check out those other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe.